The Galaxy Z Flip 5 from Samsung marked a significant advancement from its predecessor, primarily due to its considerably larger cover screen. This feature allows users to operate apps without having to open the device. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Now, the question arises, how will Samsung enhance its next flip phone, the anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 6 this year? Based on circulating rumors and reports, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to be a subtle upgrade from the 2023 model. It's likely to feature an updated processor and potentially an enhanced camera, while maintaining a similar overall design to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung, being one of the pioneers in releasing foldable phones, has held a strong position in the market, accounting for approximately 66% of foldable phone shipments in 2023, as per TrendForce. However, with Motorola, Google, and OnePlus each launching new flexible devices in 2023, Samsung faces stiffer competition than ever. In the past, I've expressed my desire to see innovative software features, an upgraded camera, and extended software support on the Z Flip 6. Let's delve deeper into what we anticipate. Let's talk about the Z Flip 6 launch date. Samsung typically unveils new foldables in August. However, last year, it introduced the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5 earlier than usual in July. A report from SamMobile suggests a similar timeline this year, indicating that Samsung might introduce the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 on July 10th in Paris. If accurate, this would be an earlier launch than last year, given that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 was announced on July 26th and released in early August. And about design expectations. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is predicted to bear a strong resemblance to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Leaked renderings of the phone suggest minor changes in physical dimensions, with the new flip phone appearing nearly identical to last year's model. The leak also hints at potential mint and lavender color options. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 was a design breakthrough compared to its predecessor, with an expanded outer display covering nearly the full top half of the back of the device, save for a cutout for the cameras. As rumors don't suggest any dramatic changes to the Z Flip 6's design, it will be interesting to see if competing clamshell foldables bring anything new to the table. Potential processor and battery upgrades. Samsung typically equips its foldable phones with the latest processors that match those in its flagship Galaxy S phones. This year, we expect the Galaxy Z Flip 6 to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. However, a leak from SamMobile indicates two different variants of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 in Geekbench's database, one with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and another powered by the older Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. If Samsung is testing a version with last year's chip, it might be considering launching a more affordable version of the Z Flip 6. Battery life could also see an improvement, with reports suggesting the new phone could feature a 4,000 mAh battery, slightly larger than the Galaxy Z Flip 5's 3,700 mAh battery. Now let's talk about the camera upgrades. The Galaxy Z Flip series typically falls short in camera quality compared to Samsung's flagships. However, reports suggest that Samsung might address this with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, which is rumored to feature a 50-megapixel camera matching the resolution of the main camera sensor on the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, and the likely inclusion of Galaxy AI. Samsung launched Galaxy AI, a suite of AI-powered software features on the Galaxy S24 series in January. Since then, it has expanded compatibility to other Galaxy devices, including the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. Therefore, it wouldn't be surprising to see Galaxy AI on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 at launch. While we eagerly await more details about the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the rumors so far suggest a modest upgrade over the Z Flip 5 rather than a significant leap forward. Stay tuned for more updates as Samsung announces the Galaxy Z Flip 6. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 6. We've delved into the rumors, the expected features, and the potential improvements. As we eagerly await the official announcement from Samsung, remember to stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates and in-depth analysis. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Until next time, peace out.